Let's start with the birth of the web series. 1995 was the very first web series, an online answer to Melrose Place called The Spot. It was scripted videos in episodic form, released for viewing only on the internet. The show was created by then aspiring New York filmmaker Scott Zakarin. The Spot featured a rotating cast of actors playing hip 20-somethings who rented rooms in a Southern California beach house called The Spot. Also in 1995, a company called Bullseye Art created 3 animated web series: Pork Chops, Internet the Animated Series, and Rat Chicken. In 1998, Bullseye Art had a hit with Miss Muffy and the Muff Mob, which led to a development deal with MTV. There are a number of ways that web series can launch your career into other avenues that you may or may not have thought of. Microsoft launched the original web series Weird TV 2000 from the creators of the syndicated TV series Weird TV. Weird TV 2000 featured dozens of shorts, comedy sketches, and mini documentaries produced exclusively for MSN Video. From 2003 to 2006, several independent web series began to achieve popularity, most notably Red vs. Blue. It was created by the company called Rooster Teeth. The series was distributed independently using online portals YouTube and Rever. The series has acquired over 100 million views during its first run. That was 2004. In 2008, Bravo launched its first weekly web series called The Milan Show, which followed New York fashion designer Milan Breton through the process of making it in America as an independent fashion designer. In 2009, web TV series received their very first award show called The Streamies. In just 21 years, the web series has gone from a quirky baby to a well-rounded, pretty cool grown-up. And that's why it's so much easier to start your own web series today.